Furries!
Hello. Here we are again. This time I'm trying out something super easy. You can see we only have a few ingredients on this one. Also, I'm using my leftover onions from last week for this, so I've made it a little bit easier. Mainly because I couldn't find yellow onions at the store. For some reason, they didn't have any. Anyway, this is, I think it's called cheesy chicken casserole, chicken and rice casserole. I don't remember. It has chicken, rice, and cheese in it. That's pretty much it. I was gonna add some green chilies, but I forgot. So, the total price of this is, I forgot where I put the receipt. $15.82. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I'm gonna do is cut up the onions the rest of the way so I can just get rid of the rest of this stuff. Why must the onions fight me? Prepare to meet your maker. Now that those are ready, we just need to measure out our stonks. And now we are ready to assemble the main dish. So let's go ahead and put our chicken in there. Ew. It just said 4 chicken breasts. I don't know how much that translates to in the weight sense. So I just put about 2 pounds, I think is what I got. Now it wants us to mix this and the cream of chicken soup together, but I don't feel like doing that, so I'm just gonna pour them in. And then maybe I'll mix them later. Good. Last but not least, we add a little bit of salt and pepper, and then we should be good. At this point, we would either put it in for 7 to 8 hours on low, or 3 to 4 on high. So I'm just gonna put it on high because that's the easy way. And that is it. I'll see you in about 4 hours. So we've got our cooked rice, and now we are ready to shred our chicken. Ooh, spicy. So let's see if I can try and get these pulled out. And at this point, our dinner is ready. So now we just need to put our chicken in. Try not to splash. And our last 2 ingredients, we've got our drained can of corn, and 2 cups of cheddar cheese. I chose medium cheddar this time because I wanted something less strong, I guess. So whatever you want, doesn't matter. And now we just mix everything together. And once that is nice and mixed, we add in our last ingredient, which is our rice from the other video. Now we stir everything together again, and at this point, it is ready to serve. Of course, lastly, is some cheese to top it, because of course I love cheese. So here's our bowl. Of course, it doesn't look like much, but it is really good. So feel free to try it out. Thanks for watching.